Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." This isn't just a nice quote. It is the only formula that allows ordinary people to become millionaires without lotteries or rich parents. But this formula has a secret ingredient that most people ignore, and it's not money, it is time. In this video, I will prove to you with numbers why putting off investing until later is the most expensive mistake of your life. Imagine a snowball at the top of a mountain. You make a small ball, this is your first $100, you push it down. At first, it rolls slowly. The profit seems funny. 10% of $100 is just $10. But the next year, you earn interest not just on your $100, but also on the $10 you earned earlier. Snow sticks to snow. The ball gets heavier. It picks up speed. After 20 years, that little ball turns into an unstoppable avalanche. Your capital starts to grow exponentially. The graph goes vertically up. But to see this explosive growth, you must launch the snowball as early as possible. Financial literacy is a skill that pays off 1,000 times over. If you want to understand the laws of money instead of being their victim, subscribe to Motivation and Money. We make complex things simple. Let's look at the numbers. Let's compare two investors. Investor A starts at 20 years old. He invests $300 a month at 10% annual return. Investor B waits until 30. He thinks, "I'm still young, I have time." At 30, he starts investing the same $300 at the same 10%. At age 60, both decide to retire. The result is shocking. Investor B, who started at 30, will have $680,000 in his account. Not bad. But Investor A, who started at 20, will have $1,900,000 in his account. The difference is over $1 million. Think about it. Investor B just waited 10 years, but those 10 years cost him $1.2 million. Time is the main lever. The earlier you start, the less effort you need to make. But compound interest works both ways. When you take a loan or carry a credit card balance, the bank turns the snowball effect against you. Debt accumulates interest, and interest accumulates more interest. You try to climb out of the hole, but the bottom drops faster than you can climb. Banks get rich precisely because they understand the power of compound interest better than you do. They want you to pay it forever. You don't need millions to start. You need discipline and time. The best day to launch your snowball was 10 years ago. The second best day is today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Make time work for you, not against you.